Hi everybody, today I'm doing my back porch and I have all my plants here and I got some plants but I have to get more. So I'm doing this one right now. These are all my herbs right here. Some of my plants over there grew. So, and this is my peppermint right here. Okay, and these are some of my herbs that are gonna go in the front that I did. All right, so I'm trying to do a little bit of the back porch. Okay. Okay, I'm doing my back porch. It's a small back porch, and I'm going to do my flowers. A small little garden on my back porch. I got some dirt. I got these pots ready to put the flowers in, and these are the flowers that I bought, as you can see. So, and these plants, I already planted some here, herbs, and my birds are back there and back of me. All right, so this is my project today, doing the porch, the back porch garden. Okay. Okay, I finished doing my yard, my back porch. So I'm going to show you how it looks. Over here, I put two flowers. As you can see, I got these on clearance sale and Walmart for $3, which is pretty good. Then I'm gonna turn around over here and I have my herbs here that I have put. So these are all the herbs. They starting to grow. Some are flowers, as you can see. They're growing. Then I got my birds in here. In there somewhere. There we go. So I planted these flowers and this one. All these flowers I planted. And my spider plants I planted. They were babies. So they're starting to grow. Here is a mumps. And they're growing back. And here goes another mumps. They're growing back. And this one is a herb. I don't know the name of it, but it keeps growing back every year. As you can see. Then I have a flower here that I bought for $3 with a vine. As you can see. Okay. And over here on this side, these grew back. So I don't know what kind of flowers they are, but they grew back. And these are growing back too. Because I didn't put no flower in here. So that one is growing back. And then this one I plant. This one is not doing so good over here. But my flowers are there that I grew from babies. They're growing. The one back there. And I put some of spider plants in here too. This one grows back every year. Isaac gave me this, my son. The one that passed away. So I have it here every year. Then I have some flowers here that I grew when they were babies too. Some red ones and the white ones. Okay. Now as I turn around this way, I'm going to show you I have here is my peppermint, which just smells so good. These are peppermint. It grows back every year also that I have. And this one I bought, it was a baby. And I have some spider plants that I put together in there with it. As you can see. Then I had the mumps here. These I bought for $3. Which it was a good price. The whole thing that big. And here I have tomatoes that I'm growing. Every year I plant only tomatoes, one. Then over here I have bought these flowers. Let me move my chandelier, my chime. Here I bought these when they were babies also, and I put also the spider plants on it, as you can see. Then I have this here. And then this one is starting to grow. I bought this one also for $2 or $3. It was a baby. And so now it's getting big, as you can see. Then I have this one over here. This one is starting to grow the flowers, as you can see. They're going to be coming out pretty soon. This one grows back every year. I had this one last year and it grew again. Then I have some flowers here. I bought them when they were babies. And they starting to grow. Then I have this one over here that I bought for $3. And this one smells so good. Has a fragrance on it. I always pop them so they could grow back. The dead ones. Then I made a water fountain here, as you can see. And I have some peppermint here. More peppermint on also in the back. And in the bottom I put some flowers. These were babies also. They're growing. And these were babies. They're growing back. And this one is growing. They were babies. They're starting to fill in. And then I have this one over here, which is in the shade. But it will grow a lot too. Then another one back there, the bottom. Okay, this goes all around. As you can see, I have some flowers here and some flowers there. Some more peppermint. It's just growing. More flowers. And then this one I put here. There was a baby. It's starting to grow back. It's starting to grow big. It was a baby when I bought it. I bought this one. Purple one and this one. They were babies, and I put the spider plant there in the middle and one in the back, as you can see. And then here's another one. And these are going to be purple. And they're going to start coming in soon. And I didn't bought this. I had this from babies from the senior center that I got like 10 of them from the plants. And they were babies, and now they're starting to grow. And those are spider plants either. Also, yeah, so this is my backyard porch. Oh, there's some flowers growing down there. I didn't even know. Okay. So this is my backyard. So this is my backyard porch, and this is how it looks. Just like this. I turn over here. You can see the two plants. And over here, you can see. And by the table, you can see. Okay. So this is everything that I planted. And all the herbs right here that I planted is starting to grow. And I just put some flowers up there. Planted flowers on the empty ones. But those are herbs too. And stuff. And my two plants that I got blessed for $3. Isn't that great? Alright, so this is everything that I got. Okay.